Miranda! Hey! What's up? Yeah. It's been a really long time. I haven't seen you since like 3rd grade. But, yeah. Like my kindergarten, 1st grade buddy thing. Yeah. Um, yeah, it's been so long. Like, seriously, I can't believe I got, even got in touch with you. It's amazing. Yeah, we should hang out soon. Because it's been, like, seriously forever. Literally. And, yeah, so here's your video. What if it's really, like, crappy? I'm, like, hella rushing through it. But, yeah, I love your hair. It's really nice. It's random, but yeah. Yeah, just hit me up and we can, like, hang out soon. Right? Bye.